Oh, hello guys, Rad Performance here. Okay, so today I'm going to give you guys a good old review of UPOL Acid Etch Primer. This is number 8. Number 5 is high build. They use this little number system. I personally find it pretty interesting. I have the technical data sheet right behind me. It looks like flash time. We have 3 to 5 minutes. Overall dry time, 10 to 20 minutes at 68 degrees, which is actually today, a nice perfect day in September. Perfect for paint. We are doing mirrors on the Camaro, obviously. They are aluminum. Obviously, we're having a little bit of burn through. Basically, we're just getting ready to paint. So this is 1K, so you can feel free to rip me apart for it in the comments. Do whatever you want. I don't really care. But this is 1K. UPOL has obviously been a pretty trusted brand. Go look up online. A lot of people use them inside of the body shop. But basically, we're going to give this a shot today. I'm going to take you guys along through it. So the whole point of the acid primer is that the acid is a chemical adhesion factor. Basically, that's what's helping it bond to that bare metal surface. So we want that bond so that way it's a good base and it's bonded to the actual material. In this case, that would be aluminum. So that won't fail over time, and then the paint that sticks to it also won't fail over time. We shouldn't have cracking, we shouldn't have issues. Hopefully the paint job will last for a very long time. So without further ado, we're going to get into using this.
Make it even, so it really was just the
Quite nice. Oh yeah, looks quite good.
It's pretty thick actually.
Yeah.
Tell you what, it hangs
Nice
in
finish.
the air a long time. There you go. I'm not gonna yeah, it's much different, man. I could feel the way the spraying is too. I gotta say, I think it's better than fucking UPOL.
Yeah, the UPOL product is pretty well renowned on the internet. You definitely see why. Yeah, you know, everything's covered nice and even.
Let's let it dry. Give it 30 minutes. This I don't like, but that's
yeah,
the texture.
From the existing
We're not going to touch it.
urethane paint. But it is on the bottom side. The finished side looks pretty. Alrighty guys, so we just put on 30 minutes on the clock. We're just going to be extra safe here. We got the technical data up over here. If you guys can see it on the camera, drying time is 10 to 20. We're going to give it a little bit of extra just to be safe. Flash, if you're doing multiple coats, is 3 to 5 minutes. But we are only going to add the one coat at the time being because we already primed previously. Got that UPOL Acid Etch. After a nice long dry time, does lay down pretty nice, cures up pretty nice. Overall, pretty impressed. If you guys like this, please drop a like, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want to test some more different products. Until next time.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move